Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying your carrier plan and available data. Without that, the hotspot won't work. Once confirmed, toggle airplane mode for 5 seconds or restart the iPhone to clear radio glitches. Next, go to Settings, tap Cellular, then Personal Hotspot. Make sure Allow Others to Join is on and the Wi-Fi password is set. These initial actions remove common account and state issues so you can move into deeper network and device-level fixes. Now focus on syncing network components and software. If devices won't see the hotspot, enable both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and try connecting via personal hotspot settings or QR code. If problems persist, install any carrier settings update and the latest iOS. These contain tethering fixes. As a stronger step, reset network settings to clear saved networks and VPN rules that block tethering. This erases Wi-Fi passwords, but often restores hotspot function. Once done, retry connecting other devices. Finish by isolating remaining variables. Try USB tethering to your computer to see if the issue is Wi-Fi or Bluetooth specific. This helps target the fix. If a VPN, firewall, or iCloud sync setting interferes, disable them temporarily and test again. Make sure the device you're connecting is updated and forget /rejoin the hotspot if needed. If everything on the phone looks correct but tethering is still blocked, contact your carrier. Account level restrictions or provisioning errors are often the underlying cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.